What's good, guys? Quick little trade recap. A few hours later, but whatever. So coming into today, I wanted shorts at first, just like a round market open, so that we could come back a bit lower into this and retrace into these fair value gaps because we're kind of overextended, and like maybe hit some equilibrium of range. And then I wanted longs, which was perfect because that's exactly what happened. I wanted longs because I mean, obviously we're coming into this daily liquidity. We're edging it at first, so I wanted that as well. And honestly, I think this is just gonna probably keep going higher. Yeah, I mean ES swept that as well. I think this probably goes higher, honestly. Yeah, I could see this definitely going higher for sure. And we tapped into this for value gap as well yesterday. So I was looking for longs most, like overall is longs, but at a market open I was bearish. Yeah, we could low-key just leave this unfilled for a while, I guess. Who knows, maybe all-time highs, question mark? Question mark. But now we still got lots of stuff to do. Or it's gonna take a while to get to all-time highs, so yeah. Anyways, I was targeting well, I did this daily for this is 6 p.m. so I was targeting the low, or I took my fib from the low to the high. Now there's a new high, but at that time this was the high. So I took it out and I marked out the equilibrium because on ES it also made sense. It was actually a low. So I marked that out, and that was the first equilibrium I want to see get hit. I want to see what would happen there, and then I was gonna see because there was really nothing to target if you when I took shorts. I mean, unless you took like standard deviation or like some sort of 1 hour for value gap, but I didn't do that really. Yeah, so market open. We opened lower first. Or we opened and we kept coming down. Then we got first PR right here. And I entered off it. Didn't enter off the C or anything. I just market entered basically where it begins. So we just into it. I market entered. Put my high at this high right here. And we came like this. I actually entered like because I wanted to see what would happen first because maybe we were gonna take that higher or not, but we didn't. And then we inversed it, and then we came lower and reclaimed it again. And then when we came in here, as soon as we reclaimed this, then I entered a few micros. I kind of de-risked on this one just because I didn't know if we wanted to come higher and take that, so because we were making relative highs, so somewhat. So yeah, I entered there, and then we got good displacement. As soon as I saw this wick right here, as soon as I saw that we inverse and then inverse it again for like the 4th time, and then we got this nice little tap. Like you could just see that it's starting to displace away from first PR, which is very nice. So yeah, and then came down, and then this was like a 1.6 RR, so I didn't TP here, but I use this as like a break-even spot because price could react off it. So I mean, I don't even think I want break-even in this trade because it just kind of flew to my TP, right? So I ended up taking most of my position off at 2 RR because I really had nothing to target, and I didn't really like anything to target other than just like the equilibrium and whatever. So I just targeted 2 RR, TP'd at 2 RR, and then I was gonna leave a micro for lower, or for at least this low, which was it's a 1 minute low. It's pretty far. This 1 minute low right here, and it actually ended up getting edged, so it's whatever. And then we made this rejection block, and then we tapped into the 50% of the rejection block, and I didn't really like that, so I just closed my position around somewhere here in this little area right there, and yeah, called it there. So 2 RR for the day, not bad at all. Definitely definitely okay with today. Pretty good day, honestly. So And then, oh yeah, sorry, and then my bias was perfect because it ended up coming lower a bit, tapping into the 4-hour and 1-hour for rally gaps, filling up the imbalances, and then went higher and went to my drawn liquidity, this white line right here. So very nice, very nice. This was also a nice entry here. This was the same thing as mine. It's just it went even lower, and then this one didn't even tap into the first PR because it just wanted to go lower so badly. So it just, and obviously you can see that this one comes up, taps into first PR, and goes lower. But then this one doesn't even tap into first PR because it's so I guess it's just so aggressive for shorts that it can't even tap into. It fails to tap into first PR, and then it makes even a bigger short than this short was. You see, it was like a small short, a bigger short, and then a bigger short. Pretty cool. But yeah, and then it also turtle slipped this lower, so yeah, pretty good day. 2 hours, so I'm happy with it. Whatever. Definitely a clean day. I like bias wise was pretty clean. Price action wise, like entries, it was decent. Like there weren't too much entries in my opinion. I mean there was quite a few. Like this was a nice entry. This for rally gap for shorts. I guess this was pretty good. This was pretty good as well. My entry. It's just like other than that, like we literally flew up, bro. Like maybe. Like I wouldn't want to enter off the CISD or anything. Friggin' 100-point stop loss unless you like put it one of these fair value gaps or something. But yeah, I mean bias wise, it was definitely very good. Very happy with my bias because it played out perfectly. I wanted it lower before going higher, and that's exactly what it did. So yeah, and yeah, that's the only trade I took. So there might be some good like longs or something, but I'm not gonna like even probably look at that right now. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Later.